Okay, so nkofu bebraya will be sapako. AI song na or a different or this. You be super type or but rubbish or AI or feed or a simple them tin that me pedametra how me and this is one gospel song be a manka samaya just for fun. And so let me take you through the process now, see how it's done. And so this I created the voice already. Inti damana tone. Menya nyonko fata menya miho susuma hunya menya kwa ema boni bio now Sunday Christ me emi menya kwa ema boni bio now Sunday Christ me. So beautiful. You could see it on your man Kasamu voice. And I'm after that, now me this is the end result. And I'm sure you will love it.
Me nyanko alfata me nyame ho sunsuma hunya me nyakora ema bonebio now Sunday Christ me emi me nyakora ema bonebio now Sunday Christ me.
And so this is how beautifully I do these stuff. So it is not easy like that. You need to learn, hard work, research, or they are musically inclined, and you achieve great results like this. So on your cheap it up, but now technology, while I'm a music making, I easy. If you had passion for music and in your skill and in your voice now, they will meet you halfway and you can do the rest. I'm from DJ Parker Rich.